Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a great drawing of an eye easily. I am Imran and I like to draw ever since I was a little boy. On my YouTube channel, Draw Academy, I like to share my tips and methods for drawing with you, so you can improve yours. I start all my drawings with a simplified basic shape. In this video it's a 5-point rectangle. Then I sketch the two eyelids, the eyeball, the pupil and the eyebrow. Notice that the eyelids overlap the eyeball. This because they cover the eyeball, so make sure you cover them around it. I add some shadow in the eyelids and darken the pupil. Notice where the light comes from, so you know where to place your shadows. Example, the light comes from the top, so we have to place shadows underneath the upper and the lower eyelid. The lower eyelid actually sticks out and catches light, so we leave it very light. I add some strokes in the eyebrow. Notice that the strokes overlap and go in several directions. Avoid a rhythmic pattern, this makes the eyebrow look unnatural. The eyes have some pattern in it, so I add some lines in the eye here to give it a more natural look. All basic shapes of the eye, I start adding shadows to give the eye a more realistic look. Soft skin shadows, I sketch some light lines and fade them with my finger or a cotton swab. If you blend some parts too much, I recommend to erase them straight away. Now we have the soft shadow, I start bringing in the details such as the eyelashes, wrinkles and folds in the skin. This gives the eye the more contrast and a more realistic view again. I use an eraser pen to add some highlights in the eye. Sure, your highlight near the pupil is as white as possible. You can consider to leave it blank from the start of your drawing. Then I darken the area around the highlight with a 2B pencil to increase the contrast. In the last phase, I work out and darken some parts with a 2B pencil to get a real nice overall contrast in my drawing. I also add some more highlights. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed. If so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more drawing videos. Thank you for watching. See you.